special, which is this. This is I'm gonna unbox. This is very special. It's a little mic. People who doing the vlog, they know this one. To open this, I need a knife. Where is the knife? I got the knife. Now I'm gonna open it. I forgot to explain this. This is a tiny microphone. It's also valuable. Where's my cable? Yes, I got my cable. This is my tiny microphone and my knife. Let's open this, guys. I forgot to tell you something. I buy this from China through online. The online name is Temu. Somebody know that. Now I'm gonna cut it. It's hard to open. It's so nice and super beautiful. The boxing is super beautiful. I love it. I don't know how did the China people did that. China people is a little bit good. I can't tell. And now I should open the bottom. I opened it. Finally, it's super hard to open. Yeah. Yes, I got a little problem. See. Now I'm gonna open it. Be careful when you take blades, okay? Now I'll open. I got this one. And I got also a book. There's so much values in this thing. Here's the value. Value is the first value is the diagram. The diagram is the mic. Whatever. Now I'll go to the box. This little slushy is super soft. This one. And this is the mic. The mic. And this is the PSU. This is the USB charger to connect this. And this is the charger to this mic. Now let's try this one. This little slushy. This one is the phone. When we put it, it will connect to this one. This charger is the connection to this mic. And whatever is this, we don't know what's this. Let's try it. But we'll try later. This is all over my unboxing video. 1 second.